Hello, good afternoon, Rishabh. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Sir,
What? Tell me what are you saying?
hello.
Yes, Rishabh, tell me.
Yes, sir. Yesterday, the day before class, you had taught Newton's theorem. Can you repeat that? Actually,
Newton's theorem.
yes,
But I have sent the recording, right?
yes, sir. But I, I saw the recording, but I did not really understand the process.
Wait. First of all, let us discuss the homework question. Then I'm going to discuss. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, can everyone see my screen, everyone? Okay, let us start. Yes, good afternoon, Satyaki. Can you hear me? Hello, Satyaki. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir, I can hear.
Okay. First one, the answer is 1, comma 2 by 3, comma 4 by 3. Tell me. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Tell me. Shweta, you tried the homework questions or not? Tell me. You're out of session. Vacation. Okay. Next. Next one, the answer is 6. What did you get? 6 or 5? 5, I guess. So 6, 6, 6, 6. 6. Anyone having any doubt? Tell me. Go and solve. Okay. See, px equal to 1 plus x square plus up to x to the power 5. We need to find out the remainder when px to the power 12 is divided by px. Okay. So first of all, let us find out what is px to the power 12. Px to the power 12 will be equal to 1 plus x to the power 12 plus x to the power 24 plus dot plus up to x to the power 60. Right, tell me. Now we need to divide when we need to find out the remainder when p of x to the power 12 is divided by p of x. Right. What is p of x? P of x is 1 plus x square plus dot plus up to x to the power 5. Is it a part of any polynomial? Tell me. 1 plus x square plus x cube plus up to x to the power 5. Tell me. Can you identify? Is it a part of any polynomial? Yes, Satyaki, tell me.
Sir, it is part of x to the power 5 minus 1.
X power 5 minus 1. Making a slight mistake. Anyone tell me over here? X power 6 minus 1, right? See, so can I say that px to the power 12 is divisible by p of x? I mean, an expression is divisible. An expression is divisible by p of x. A similar kind of problem I did it in the class, if you remember. Right, over there it was, I guess, x to the power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Okay, answer was 3 also. By p of x, if it is divisible by x to the power 6 minus 1, right? Tell me. So we need to substitute x to the power 6 equal to 1, right? So what is the remainder? Therefore the remainder is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is 6. Tell me. You just have to substitute x to the power 6 is equal to 1. Tell me, is it clear? Arush, understood? If you have any doubt, you ask me. Tell me. Venkat, have you understood? Shaita, are you getting? Tell me. If there's someone who is not getting this, let me know. Shiruk, got this? Shiruk, you have sent me your homework, right? Okay, Shayadita, then solve the question, send it to me. Okay? When did you come back? Yesterday. Then you solve the question, send it to me. Okay, because again there will be some more homeworks coming up. Number 3, the answer is 3. You people got 3. Couldn't solve. Okay, let's start. This sum came in IIT also, and it was repeated over over a lot of times in mains as well. 3-4 times. 2015, 2000. It's a very famous problem. And see how we can solve it within 2-3 lines. Pay attention. This is question number 3. Pay attention. So people remember Newton's theorem. I've done it in the class, right? An equal to alpha to the power n minus beta to the power n. So if alpha and beta are the roots of this equation, can I say that an minus 6 an minus 2 minus 2 an minus minus 6 an minus 1 minus 2 an minus 2 is equal to 0? Tell me, can I say this? Yes or no? But and over here in the expression we need a10, right? Tell me. So instead of n, what do we need to substitute? N equal to, put n equal to 10, right? How are you getting? What do we get? A10 minus 6a9 minus 2a8 is equal to 0, right? Tell me. So from here what do we get? A10 minus 2a8 is equal to 6a9. Now we need to divide by how much? 2a9, right? In the expression it is 2a9. So dividing by 2a9 on both sides will get the result, right? Tell me. What do we need? So this will give us 3 as the answer. Tell me. Is it clear, Abhijay? Shelta, is it clear? Shiru, Arvind, Satyaki, Rishabh, is it clear?
Yes.
Venkat. Next one came in mains 2020. The answer is option D. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. This one. No contradiction. Pay attention. There is no contradiction over here. You see, I won't even see. Pay attention. What is given? X square minus x minus 1 equal to 0, right? So that means, can I say that pk will satisfy this equation? Tell me. So what will I get? Pk minus 1 minus pk minus 2 equal to 0, right? This implies pk is equal to pk minus 1 plus pk minus 2, right? Tell me. It's a very famous series. Pk is equal to pk minus 1 plus pk minus 2. Can you people identify? The next term is the sum of the previous two terms. It's a very famous Fibonacci series. See? Are getting? So Fibonacci series will always satisfy x square minus x minus 1 equal to 0. Okay. From there we get the golden ratio. Okay. Are you getting? Tell me. So pk equal to pk minus 1 plus pk minus 2. Right? What do we need to find out? Tell me. We need to find out P5, P2, P3, all these things we need to find out. First of all, alpha plus beta. Tell me, what is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is equal to P1, right? Alpha plus beta is equal to minus B by S. So that will give us 1. Tell me. Next, let us find out alpha square plus beta square also. P2 is equal to alpha square plus beta square. Alpha square plus beta square will be equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta, right? Tell me, Arush. What is alpha plus beta whole square? 1 square minus 2 into minus 1. Right? I hope it is 2 into minus 1. Huh. This will give us how much? 3. Right? Can you understand? So I've got P1, I've got P2. We can find out P3. P3 is equal to P1 plus P2. This will give us how much? Tell me. 4. What is the value of P4? Quickly tell me. 7. Who said 5? P5 is equal to 11. Okay. Which option is correct now? Option D. P5 is 11. P2 is 3. And P3 is equal to 4. Is 11 equal to 3 into 4? No. Done. How much time it took? Hardly 30-40 seconds.
And it is similar but different method.
Similar but different method. I'm checking. P2 equal to 3 equal to 2.
After
Say what
that,
you
it
do.
will possible, so it will always be wrong.
P5 is equal to, if P5 is equal to P2 into P3.
Like if option D is true, then this will happen. opposite will not be true.
Achha, you got P5 in terms of P2 and P1.
Yes.
That is 3P2 plus 2P1. Okay, 3P2 plus 2P1 is equal to P2 into P2 plus P2 into P1. Right. From here, what is the contradiction? Therefore, P2 equal to 2. How do you get P2 equal to 2?
Sir, I did so like if option D is supposed to be true, then this will hold. Since this is impossible, then option D must be false.
Cannot understand. Tell me. Ayush, explain briefly.
Sir, in option D it is given P5 is equal to P2 into P3.
Wait, I am writing it down. P5, what did you get? Tell me in terms of P2 and P1.
P5 in terms of P2 and P1, I got 3P2 plus 2P1.
3P2 plus 2P1.
Yes, sir. And P3 I had gotten only P2 plus P1.
P3 you have got it as
P2 plus P1.
P2 plus P1.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes, sir. After that, if option D is supposed to be true,
then 3P2 plus 2P1 is equal to
P2 into P2 plus P1.
P2 plus P1 into P2, right?
Yes, sir.
That will give us P2 square plus P1 into P2.
Yes, sir. Now matching the coefficients on both sides, we get this impossible
Which what are you satisfying on both sides? Coefficients.
Yes, sir.
Why? It can happen. It can happen that 2P1 is equal to P2 square. Can happen or not? Tell me. So how can you match the coefficients until unless you found out any value? Over here, P1 and P2 are not variables. P1 and P2 are constants. Okay, understood. But why did you start with checking option D only? Should have started with option A, B, C.
Sir, actually I started by...
It occurred to you, right?
It didn't occur to me.
Aryabhatta told you.
After
Please start with option D.
After reading option A and B, I found that option C was also be true, so option D I checked.
Well, see, this one was easy. What I did, okay. You can easily find out the values. Okay, it's not that tough. Okay, is it clear, Arush? Anyone else having any doubt in the homework questions? No. Okay, last day we were doing Wavy Curve. Okay, this was the last thing we had done. Satyaki, Rishabh, if people have any doubt, tell me.
Sir, it would be better if you would re-explain it in a gist actually. The Newton's, that theorem.
Newton's theorem. Okay,
Yes.
Newton's theorem. Newton's theorem, pay attention. Miss, what does Newton's theorem says? That if alpha 1, alpha 2, pay attention. If alpha 1, alpha 2, up to alpha n are n zeros of f of x equal to x bar n plus p1 x bar n minus 1 plus p2 x bar n minus 2 plus pn minus 1 x plus px plus p. Okay. If alpha 1, alpha 2, these are the n zeros of this polynomial such that SR is equal to alpha 1 to the power r plus alpha 2 to the power r plus alpha 3 to the power r plus up to alpha n to the power r, where r is a positive integer. Okay, where r is a positive integer, then number 1 SR plus P1 SR minus 1 plus P2 SR minus 2, okay, plus P3 SR minus 3 plus up to RPR is equal to 0 if R is less than n. If R is less than n, then this relation will hold. Understood? Rishabh, tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And how to determine, how to write this? Okay, pay attention. How to write this? Okay. Wait a minute. How to write this? Pay attention. You always start with SR, okay? SR, and then try to understand as you move from left to right, R's value will decrease. Okay, the suffix over here will decrease for S. Like if it is starting with S5, it should be S5 plus P1 S4 plus P2 S3 plus P3 S2 plus P4 S1 plus 5P5. Tell me, are you getting? If the degree of the polynomial is more than 5. Understood? Tell me, Rishabh.
Yes,
sir.
understood.
But if R is greater than N, then what will you have? SR plus P1 SR minus 1 plus P2 SR minus 2 plus P3 SR minus 3 plus P4 SR minus 4 plus Pn SR minus N. Okay, it cannot cross SR minus N. Okay, because R is greater than N. This will be equal to 0 if R is greater than N. Tell me, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, remember over here S0 is not defined. Actually, S0 is defined. Okay, but only if, all the zeros of the polynomial is non-zero. Okay, but we'll just consider that S0 is not defined. S0, S minus 1, they are not defined. Okay, so you cannot go up to S0. Is it clear? Tell me. I've given one example. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 1. Alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square is equal to 3. Alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube is equal to 7. And we need to find out S4. Okay. So over here n is equal to 3. Right. Degree of the polynomial is 3. Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
I need to find out S4. So your first task is to write down the expression for S4. You'll get S4 plus P1 S3 plus P2 S2 plus P3 S1 equal to 0. Right. Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, see, you know the value of S3, you know the value of S2, you know the value of S1, but you need to find out the value of P1, P2, and P3. So, how will you get P1, P2, and P3? For R equal to 1, you will get the value of P1. For R equal to 1, we need to follow which equation? First one or the second one? Tell me. For R equal to 1.
So the first one.
First one. Are you getting? Because 1 is less than 3. Over here, the degree of the polynomial is 3. There are 3 zeros.
Yes, sir.
So, S1 plus 1 P1 equal to 0. So, over here, P1 equal to minus 1. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
For R equal to 2, S2 plus P1 S1 plus 2P2 equal to 0. So over here you will get P2 equal to minus 1. Understood? Hello.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Same for R equal to 3, it will be S3 plus P1 S2 plus P2 S1 plus 3P3 equal to 0. So over here you will get P3 equal to minus 1. After getting P1, P2, P3, just substitute over here. For R equal to 4, you need to use the second equation because 4 is greater than 3.
Yes, sir.
Rishabh, quickly tell me the equation for S5. Tell me. Over here for R equal to 5, what will be the equation? Tell me.
For R equal to 5,
Hmm.
we
What?
will use the second equation.
So tell me.
Uh, Sir, it would be
Start with S5.
yes, S5 plus P1 S4 plus P2 S3 plus P3 S2 plus P4 S1.
Why P4 S1? It will end at SR minus N, na?
Oh
That is
yes.
S5 minus 3. It will end at S2. So this is the equation. Done.
Okay,
There will be no
okay.
S1 term. Is it
Okay,
clear?
okay.
Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us continue. So I hope you have understood. Yes or no?
Yes, I understood.
Okay. So everyone, let us do some more problems on Wavy Curve. Okay. Today I'll complete this chapter and I'll start with a new chapter. Quickly, everyone. Let us continue. We are already behind schedule. This was the last problem we did. X minus 1 into x plus 2 whole to the power 4 into x minus 3 whole to the power 5. We need to find out x if f of x is greater than or equal to 0. Okay. Sharita, you went through the recordings and notes went through? Okay, did I upload the recording also? Okay. Question number 1 for today. Question number 1 for today. If f of x equal to, Sharita, you have any doubt from the last class which you missed? No. X square plus 2x plus 1 upon x square minus 8x plus 16. X square plus 2x plus 1 divided by x square minus 8x plus 16. Find x if f of x is less than 0. Start. Question number 2. If f of x equal to 2x minus 1 into x plus 3 into 2 minus x into 1 minus x whole square divided by x power 4 into x plus 6 into x minus 9 multiplied by 2x to the power 4 2x square plus 4x plus 9. Find x if f of x is less than 0. Solve. Question number 3. Find x if 2 to the power x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 is greater than 0. Solve. Done. Now check it again. Should I start with the first one? Tell me everyone. No. Which we solve? First one is easy. First one. So, correct. Okay, let us start with the first one.
Sir, I have sent the answer.
I've sent it. Let me see. Correct. Okay, let us start everyone. We have got x square plus 2x plus 1 upon x square minus 8x plus 16. Can we factorize? We can factorize, right? Let us pay attention. Let us solve. So f of x will be equal to x plus 1 whole square upon x minus 4 whole square. Right, tell me everyone. Are you people getting? It's a perfect square. Can it ever be less than 0? No. So x belongs to null set. Right, are you people getting? It can never be less than 0. Right, Sharita, are you getting? Shiro? Oh, you got it. Or not? Arman, are you getting? Okay. Also, if you draw the wavy curve, how will the wavy curve look like? The critical points are -1 and 4. The wavy curve will look somewhat like this. Okay. So it can never be less than 0. Should I start number 2? No. Okay, I'm starting with the next one. Okay, f of x is given. So over here we need to write down the critical points first, right? Let's start. So what are the critical points? Tell me. Half, -3, 2, 1, 0, -6, 9. That one, is it factorizable? No, that is not factorizable, right? So over here, you find out the discriminant. I mean, let us find out whether there exists any root or not. Okay. Discriminant is less than 0. So over here, will you find any?
Sir, no root.
Shaida, are
Sir,
you
I have
getting?
sent my answer.
Okay. It contains no real root. That means it cannot be factorized. So leave it. Okay. It is always positive. You people can understand 2x square plus 4x plus 9. It is always positive because it does not have any real root.
Sir, I
Alright
have
then.
sent my answer.
Wait. I'm checking. I'm checking. Oh, no. Some other answer is given. Okay, no, Sataki, I've got something else.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So what are the critical points? These are the critical points, right? So shall we start? Let us start plotting the wavy curve. When you take, okay, wait, no. So what have we got? The lowest one is -6, -6, -3, then 0, half, 1, 2, 9, isn't it? Tell me. Are people getting? Now over here, if you take any value which is less than -6, right? Substitute. This is positive or negative? When you substitute anything which is less than -6. This is positive or negative? Negative. This is positive. This is positive. So numerator is positive or negative? Positive. Numerator is positive. Done. Right, Sharita, are you getting? Numerator is positive. Aravan. Denominator is, this is positive. This is negative, right? This is, and this is always positive, right? So what here we don't do.
Sir, what value did you take to check for the positive or negative?
Anything less than -6.
Okay, sir.
So the denominator is positive or negative? What do you think? Positive, right? So positive by positive is positive. We have to start with the positive sign. Right. Now tell me, -6 is simple or double? Tell me.
The simple.
Simple. -3 is simple or double?
The simple.
Okay, I'm trusting you people. Okay, I'm not checking the expression. 0 is simple or double?
Sir, double.
Half is simple or double?
Sir, simple.
Simple. Double.
Sir, 1 is double.
2 is simple or double? Huh? Simple. 9 is simple or double? Simple.
Sir, 1 is double.
1 is double?
Sir, it was whole square I saw.
Oh, 1 is double. 2 is?
Sir, 2 is simple.
2 is simple. 9? Simple.
Simple.
This is how the graph will look like. So, we need to find out f of x less than 0, right? Therefore, x belongs to the power is even. It's a double point. Forgotten. Achha, we have to also exclude the discontinuous points. The denominator cannot be equal to 0, so 0 is excluded. And what else? -6 and 9 will be excluded. Right, remember. So x belongs to -6, -3. Union half, 2 except elemental 1. Union 9, infinity. Yes, this is the answer given to us. Tell me, anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Abhijay, is it clear? Half. 1 cannot be included now. For 1 it is 0. You cannot include 1. Is it clear? Yes, Venkat, is it clear? Aravan, Shirup, everyone understood? Satyaki, is it clear?
Yes, sir, yes.
Solve the third one quickly. No, some other answer. This is correct, I guess. Let me check. Correct. Okay, I'm solving number 3. 2 to the power x minus 1, x minus 2. What do you think? What are the critical points over here?
Sir, is my answer correct?
Your answer is correct. Okay, shall we start? Tell me, everyone. What are the critical points? 1 and 2. We have to check it for greater than 0 or less than 0. Over here, the critical points are 1 and 2, right? Both are simple points. How will the graph look like? This is how the graph is going to look like. Right, tell me. Is clear, Sharita? So over here, what is the answer? Tell me, Sharita. X belongs to minus infinity, comma 1 open union 2 to infinity. Okay. Next, let us continue.
Sir, what is the name of the chapter or topic?
What is the
Name of the chapter or topic?
polynomials? Next, our next one is multiple. See how multiple correct type questions will be coming. Okay, from graphs. Okay, multiple correct type questions. Multiple correct type questions. Okay, and this question is important, everyone. Okay. Speed of the fan to be reduced. Should I turn it off? Okay. This is question number 4. Okay. I'm writing down the options. Okay, wait. Write down the options. Option A 1, option B 2, option C 0. Wait, I'm writing down the option once again. Option A 0, option B 3, option C 1, option option, no, wait. Option D 0, option C 1, option D, option A 2. 2, 3, 1, 0. Okay. Multiple correct type questions. Okay. Another question I am going to give for multiple correct type. And should I start?
Sir, I'm sending.
You sent it. Very good. Let me see. Try to plot the graph of this function. Okay, a little bit.
Sir, is it correct?
I'm checking. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, I'm posting another question. Also multiple correct type, everyone. Okay, Satyaki, check your answer again. I'll give you correct if and only if all are correct. Okay. Let me start with number 5. This is no, not 5. The previous question was 3, so this will be 4. 4 and 5. Let us start. So we start with 4, everyone. So this is number 4. Okay. So f of x is a polynomial such that f of a into f of b is less than 0. What does it mean, everyone? Product of two numbers is given negative. What does it mean? It means one is positive, other one will be negative, right? Or f of b is negative, f of a is positive. Both two cases can happen, right? But they are of opposite signs, right? So how will the graph of the polynomial look like? Pay attention. How will the graph of the polynomial look like? The graph of the polynomial will look somewhat like this. See, this is f of, this is a, this is b. One one possibility. See, one of the possibility is that, okay, means f of a is less than 0, f of b is greater than 0. One of the possibility is like the graph can look somewhat like this, right? This is one of the possibility. Yes or no? Tell me. Yes or no? Can it happen
Yes,
that
sir.
it has 0 roots? 0 is not even possible. Right? 0 means what? It will never cross x-axis. Which is it ever possible? It's not
No.
possible. Right? Tell me. Arush, are you getting? Venkat, Shiru, Rishabh, are you getting the logic?
Yes,
Shaita,
sir.
is it clear? Okay. So option C is definitely correct. Is it possible to have more than one root? Tell me. Is it
Sir,
possible? Can
3.
you? Three. Okay.
Yes, sir.
How? Like this, right?
Sir, going down, then again up.
Going down, then again up. Correct, correct, correct. Are you people able to understand? Three is also possible. Is it possible that it can have two roots? Tell me. Is it
No,
possible
sir.
that
Then
it can have,
both will be positive or negative.
tell me. Is it possible to have two roots? Tell me. Means is it possible to have two zeros? Not roots, two zeros. Is it possible? Tell me. No. Can you
No,
think?
sir.
It is possible. Yes. So Arush has said it is possible. Tell me, Arush. Go on.
Sir, like the parallel graph, it is just similar. It is going up, but rather than crossing down the x-axis, it is only touching the x-axis.
Very good. Very good. This is what I wanted you people to understand. Because it goes up. See the orange graph. Okay. It goes up. Okay. Instead of going below. Okay. It just touches. Are people getting? It just touches like this and goes up again. Tell me, did you people understand the orange graph? Tell me, or not? So in this case also you will get two zeros. Tell me, are you people getting? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, Abhijay, is it clear? All the cases? And Shahida, is it clear? Okay. Venkat, have you understood? Okay. So it can have more than two roots also. Means what I am trying to say that f of a into f of b is less than 0, that means it has at least one zero between a and b. Okay. F of a into f of b is less than 0. This implies there exists at least one zero. At least one zero in open a comma b. Okay. At least one zero in open a comma b. Okay. Later on, there is an extended theorem of this particular property. I mean, there is an extended theorem known as intermediate value theorem. Okay, based on the same concept. Intermediate value theorem we'll learn it later, not now.
So using differentiation.
Without differentiation. Tell me, is it clear to everyone? Okay. We'll learn it in continuity. Okay. Shaita, you understood that one? Okay. Try this out. Venkat, you understood?
Yes.
Yeah, Ariman? Shiru? Rishabh, is it clear? Okay, should I start, everyone? Tell me.
Sir, I send my answer.
Yes, I'm checking. Okay, everyone pay attention. F of x is given to us. Okay. It is given that we need to find out one positive real root, one root lying between -3 and -1. Yes, Sataki, your answer is correct. One root lying between -3 and -1. How to check whether one root is lying between -3 and -1 or not? By finding
Sir,
f
we
of
must
x
factorize.
-1. Acha, also it can be factorized as well. Right. Factorize it. Can we factorize it?
Yes, sir.
See,
Sir, f of 1 is 0.
f of 1 is coming as 0, right? So it can be
Yes,
written
sir.
as x cube minus x square plus 3x square plus, no wait, x cube minus x square plus 3x square minus 3x plus x minus 1. So what are we getting? You are getting x minus 1 into plus 1. So over here we are getting one root, right? Tell me everyone. We are getting one root. So option A is correct. One positive real root. We are getting it. Tell me, are people getting one root lying between -3 and -1? So let us say that this is g of x. Let us check whether one root lies between -3 and -1 or not. Okay. So everyone, what is g of -1? Tell me. G of -1 is equal to -1, right? Tell me. Substitute. G of -1 is equal to -1. And what is g of -3? G of -3 is equal to 9 minus 9 plus 1, which is 1, which is positive, right? G of -1 is negative and g of -3 is positive. Can I say one root lies between minus 3 and 1 minus 1? One root
Yes, sir.
lies between minus 3 and minus 1. Tell me, are you people getting? Similarly, so option B is correct. Anyone having any doubt, tell me. Option C, one negative real root.
So how do we get option B?
I've got g of minus 1 as minus 1 negative, g of minus 3 as positive, right? So their product will be negative, right? Tell me, Arush. The product of those two numbers will be negative. So from the previous theorem, can I say that one root lie between, at least one root lie between minus 3 and minus 1? Tell me. Because I already know that x equal to 1 is the root of this equation. So we need to think about the other two roots, na? Wait, I'm coming. Okay, Satyaki and Rishabh, wait, I'm coming. What if you get two negative real roots? What if g of 0? Tell me. G of 0 is equal to? Tell me. How much are you getting? 1. Okay. So everyone, can I say that one root lies between minus 1 and 0? Lies in minus 1 comma 0. Therefore, A, B and D are correct. Are correct. Tell me, Arush, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Oh. Venkat? Option A, B and D are correct. Next. Okay. Anyone having any doubt? Tell me. Till now?
Sir, we can check for only g of x and it will work.
G of x is in, I couldn't understand. What did you say?
Okay, sir, I understood.
Option B. G of minus 3, what is the value? Tell me. Minus 3. So congratulations everyone. One more chapter is complete. Polynomials is complete. Start with quadratic equations.
We sure that only one element is lying between minus 3 and minus 1.
Because see, the polynomial is cubic. Yes. So it should have how many zeros? 1 is already over there.
Achha,
1 root lies between -1 and -3. Right? And 1 root lies between -1 and 0. Understood? What one? G of -3 is 1. Okay. Okay. So it is positive. And what is G of -1? -1, right? Negative. So that means at least one root will lie between -3 and -1. Right or not? Just now we did, right?
Sir,
In the previous one, f of x is a polynomial such that f of a into f of b is less than 0. That means at least one root will lie between a and b. Right?
can't see him.
Can I see? So Shidu, from here, can I say that g of -3 into g of -1 is less than 0? This implies one root 1 0. At least 1 0. But later on you will understand that exactly 1 0 lies between -3 and -1. At least 1 0 lies in -3, -1.
Sir, can't C and D be simultaneously true? D
Because
is
it,
saying
again,
one root lies between
one root lies between.
-1 and 0, and C is saying one negative real root. So there can be one negative real root lying between -1 and 0. Both can be true at the same time. So there
Another
is-
root lies between -1 and -3 also.
So all of these. So whatever
So
it is
total there
saying,
are how
one
many
root is
negative-
saying distinct roots, not overlapping.
Not all. How they are overlapping? One is lying between -1 and -3, and another lying between -1 and 0.
One is lying between -1 and 0, and the and option C is saying one negative real root. There can be one negative real root lying between -1 and 0.
Total how many negative real 0 we have? Tell me over here. In this situation, how many negative real 0 we have?
Fx we have.
I'm talking about fx only. How many negative real 0 we have? 2. So how can option C be correct? Is it clear? Okay. So this completes our chapter 11. Polynomials is complete. We'll start with quadratic equations. Okay. Sharita, is it clear this one? Okay. You went to Allen today or not? Okay. What is going on over there? Which chapter? Factorization. Okay. If you find any doubt, let me know. Okay. So those are all basic. Middle term factorization. Those things. Quadratic equations. Kaushiki, are you still attending Fitji's classes?
Yes, sir. They have
Started?
transferred to
Delhi.
G school. Their online classes.
Are good?
Yes.
Okay. Quadratic equations. If any test happens, let me know.
We have face test next week.
Next week only, face test. Okay. It will happen in Glorifier, right? Okay, but will you get the paper? Possible.
Like soft copy, I can try and.
Try to down. Let me know. Okay, especially the IIT JEE paper. Quadratic equations. What are the chapters over there in the face test?
We have like linear equation into variables.
Quadratic, polynomial, real numbers.
Yeah.
Okay. Quadratic equations, everyone, pay attention. An equation of the form. An equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0, is a quadratic equation. Is a quadratic equation in one variable. In one variable. Okay, everyone. An equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Remember, a should not be equal to 0. If a is equal to 0, that means
So
it will
linear
become
equation.
linear. Okay, one variable. Where a comma b comma c belongs to R. Over here, a is known as the leading coefficient. A is known as the leading coefficient. B is known as the coefficient of linear term. B is known as the coefficient of linear term. And C is known as the absolute term or constant. Absolute term, or you can say constant term. Okay, next. Types of quadratic equation. Types of quadratic equations. Number 1. If b is equal to 0, c is not equal to 0. That is ax square plus c is equal to 0. Okay, this is known as purely quadratic. Okay, next. Number 2. If b is not equal to 0, c is equal to 0. That is ax square plus bx is equal to 0. Okay, over here, one of the root will be equal to, one root will definitely be equal to 0. Okay, that means it will definitely pass through the origin. One root is equal to 0. Okay, and what is the other root? Other root will be equal to minus b by a. Right, tell me everyone. Other root will be equal to minus b by a. Next, number 3. If b equal to 0, c equal to 0, that is ax square is equal to 0. Okay, if x square is equal to 0, that means both roots are 0. Right, that means it will just touch the origin and go back. Okay, how will the graph look like? The graph of this quadratic will look somewhat like this. In the last chapter, I have discussed what kind of a graph it will be. Right, the graph of a quadratic is a parabola. Right, tell me, Arush, are you getting? The graph of a quadratic is a parabola. Next, number 4. If b is not equal to 0 and c is not equal to 0, that is ax square plus bx plus c is given as 0. Okay, this is known as mixed or complete quadratic. Mixed or complete quadratic. Because over here everything is present. Linear, constant, everything is present to us. Complete quadratic. Okay. Are you getting Satyaki, Rishabh? Are people getting?
Yes, sir. Sir, can you move a little up?
Roots of a quadratic equation. Roots of a quadratic equation. So what are the roots of a quadratic equation? X equal
Sir,
to
can you
alpha.
show the second and third point?
X equal to alpha and x equal to beta are the roots of a quadratic ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 if and only if and only if. Okay, see, sometimes if and only if is also written as I double f. Okay, everyone, IFF also means if and only if. Okay. So if and only if a alpha square plus b alpha plus c equal to 0 and a beta square plus b beta plus c equal to 0. Tell me, anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. Okay, let us do one problem. Question number 1. In quadratic, if x equal to 3 by 2 and minus 2 are the roots of px square plus qx minus 6 equal to 0, find p and q. Solve. Question number, no, only solve this question. Solve everyone.
Sir, can you move a little up? Yes, sir.
I've got something else for q. P is correct, I guess. P is correct. Show Venkat. Venkat, you are absolutely correct. Have I sent any polynomials assignment in the group? Somebody said no. Venkat, you don't check the group. Start practicing because another test and you know the kind of paper. No, check it again. Okay, so if you don't practice, correct. Okay, and Shayadita, you have to give polynomial and quadratic test, okay? Because you joined from polynomial. I think you already have everything. So start practicing, everyone. Should I start, everyone? No. Why is it taking so long? Solve.
Sir, is the answer irrational?
Answer?
Is it irrational?
Correct.
Very wrong.
Yes, Satyaki, your answer is. Rishabh, check your answer again. Satyaki, your answer is correct. Okay, should I start, everyone? So, what method you people use? Like substituting p equal to, x equal to 3 by 2, quadratic is equal to 0, substituting x equal to minus 2, quadratic is equal to 0. You must have got two simultaneous linear equations. Then solve it simultaneously. Yeah, this is also another good method. Sum of the roots, product of the roots, isn't it? Another good. Got the answer? Yeah, Shweta is done? Tell. Go. Who is left? Abhijay. Yes. And Rishabh also solved quickly. Firstly, how many people attended the class in the audience? From all over India.
Like many centers were closed, so we were shifted. Actually, we were shifted quite late. Like the classes started around 5th April, and we joined the first week of May. So like almost 1 week we covered.
And how are you getting books and everything?
Books, actually, there was some like miscommunication. I was listed by mistake added to the class 11 school. So
What
there is
class
a
11?
problem. No, like then we changed. My mother changed to class 10 school. Actually, I don't really need the books. My brother's book only. The recorded lectures are provided and.
From what are the subjects currently that maths is used? Math also.
Math also, SST also, biology also.
Where it must be taken from Punjabi Birth Center.
From?
Punjabi Birth Center. Punjabi Birth Center. Punjabi Birth Center.
Yes, yes.
Hmm? You were to? Where is A coming? I have P, Q. You have written A, P. What happened? Okay. So everyone pay attention. You must be doing like simultaneous linear equations. There is another method, right? Yes, Rishabh, your answer is correct. So, sum of the roots, that is 3 by 2 plus minus of 2. Sum of the roots is equal to q by p, right? And product of the roots is equal to minus q by p, correct. Product of the roots is equal to minus 6 by p, right? So from here we'll get the value of p. What is p over here? P equal to 2. Substitute. Okay. So what do we get? 3 by 2 minus 2 is equal to minus q by 2, right? Multiplying by 2 on both sides, what do we get? Q is equal to 1. Done. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. Shaita, is it clear? Sum of the roots and product of the roots I have used. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, alpha beta is equal to c by a. Okay. Abhijay, is it clear? That method you can, like, it will be accepted in school. I don't know. This method school will accept. I don't know. Accept, right?
Sir, which method?
This method, the one which I did. Sum of the roots, product of the roots. No.
Sir, sum of roots is taught in school.
Taught in school. Taught in school.
Yes, sir.
So it should be accepted. Methods of solving a quadratic. Methods.
But then again, in our school, sometimes it is accepted, sometimes it is. It depends on the class teacher who is taking the topic. Same method, different sections, different marks.
What to do? Different class, different teacher, different culture. Right. Your school is India. Different culture, different places. Right, number 1, factorization. Okay. For example, factorization. You people know. I don't think I should. I mean, should even solve. You people know. Anyone who does not knows, let me know. Okay. Everyone knows factorization. Number 2, completing the squares. Sometimes the school asks you to solve the quadratic using completing the squares. Pay attention, everyone. For example, you are given 2x square plus 11x plus 12, okay, equal to 0. This can be done in 2 distinct ways. Pay attention. So what you do is, now you have to start making a perfect square. Okay, there are 2 ways you can proceed. First of all, you see 2 is not a perfect square, right? X square is a perfect square. So in order to make it a perfect square, I have to multiply by 2 first, right? Tell me. So let us multiply by 2, we'll get 4x square plus 22x plus 24 equal to 0. Right, tell me everyone. Now see, the first term becomes a perfect square. It will become 2x whole square plus the x term. X term should be 2ab part, right everyone? So it will become 2 into 2x. Now see, I have multiplied by 2, so I have to divide it by 2. Okay, multiplied by 11 by 2. Okay, are you people getting? 22x, I have broken it as 2 into 22x. 2 into 2x multiplied by 11x by 2. Multiplied by 11 by 2. Now you people tell me, what should we add to make it a perfect square? 11 by 2 whole square plus 121 by 4. Okay, plus 24 minus 121 by 4. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. This should be equal to 0. Okay, so what will it become? It will become 2x plus 11 by 2 whole square minus 96. So plus 4 is LCM. Numerator would be 96 minus 121 is equal to 0. So this will become 2x plus 11 by 2 the whole square minus 25 by 4. So that is minus 5 by 2 whole square is equal to 0. Now after this, if you can remember a square plus b square, a square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b. So this will become 2x plus 11 by 2 plus 5 by 2 into 2x plus 11 by 2 minus 5 by 2. Done. Equal to 0. So I'll get 2 roots of the equation from here. 2x is equal to 2x plus 16 by 2, that is 8. 2x is equal to minus 8, x is equal to minus 4. Okay, or 2x is equal to 11 minus 5 is 6, 6 by 2 is 3, is equal to minus 3, so x is equal to minus 3 by 2. Tell me, did you people understand or not? Tell me. If you are having any doubt, you can ask me. Acha, this will be 2x equal to minus 8, x equal to minus 4. Yes, it is correct. Tell me. Is it clear? Is it clear? Anyone having any doubt? You can ask me. Next. Same question can also be done like this. Okay, you divide by 2 on both sides. Okay, dividing by 2 on both sides, you'll get x square plus 11 by 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, this can also be made a perfect square. It will be x square plus 2 into x into 11 by 4. So what should we add to make it a perfect square? Tell me. I have multiplied and divided by 2 in the second term. What should we add to make it a perfect square? Tell me. 121 by 16 plus 6 minus 121 by 16 equal to 0. Tell me, Venkat, is it clear? Shirup, Rishabh, and
Yes, sir.
Satyaki, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What do we get, everyone? First 3 terms will become x plus 11 by 4 whole square, right? Minus 16, 6 and 96 again minus 25 by 16 is equal to 0. That is minus 5 by 4 whole square. Rest after this you people can solve, right? Tell me. After this you people can solve. You get the same roots. Next. Another method we have, method 3, quadratic formula. Quadratic formula. So you people remember quadratic formula? If x square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is a quadratic, is a quadratic, then x is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, where discriminant d is given by b square minus 4ac. Okay, discriminant d is given by b square minus 4ac. Okay, everyone. Also denoted by delta. For example, x square minus 6x plus 4 equal to 0. Okay, can we factorize this? No. So x will be equal to minus of minus 6 plus minus root over b square minus 4ac, that is 36 minus 16 by 2. So this will become how much? 6 plus minus root 20 divided by 2. What is square root of 20? 2 root 5, right?
2 root 5.
So this will become 3 plus minus 2 root 5 by 2. Oh wait, 6 plus minus 2 root 5 by 2, which is equal to 3 plus minus root 5. Tell me. Are you people getting? Over here, see, there is one more thing. We have already discussed it in polynomials, but again I am telling you, for a quadratic with rational coefficients, if one of the root is a plus root b, then other root will be a minus. Are you people getting? Anyone having any doubt, you can ask.
Sir, can you move a little? Sir, it will be ax square.
X square. That is understood. Typo. Right.
Yes.
Next. So shall we do some problems? You people solve some easy questions. Question number 2. Solve the quadratic. Solve the quadratic. 2x by x minus 3 plus 1 upon 2x plus 3 plus 3x plus 9 by x minus 3 into 2x plus 3 equal to 0. Solve. Question number 3. Solve for x. No. Solve this one quickly. Solve, then we'll discuss some more. Solve. Okay, this slight mistake. Slight mistake. Sure. No, check it again. Just no, check it again. You're making some mistakes. Should I start? Tell me. Over here. Okay, I'm telling you where is the mistake in you people's answer. Can x be equal to minus 3 by 2 ever? Tell me. Can it ever be equal to minus 3 by 2? So anyways, so everyone pay attention.
Sir, is
What
my
are
answer correct?
No, Rishabh, check your answer again. Whenever
Okay,
you
sir.
get this kind of question, directly multiply by the LCM of the denominator. What is the LCM of the denominator? X minus 3 into 2x plus 3. Let's multiply it completely. Okay, 2x into 2x plus 3 plus x minus 3 into plus 3x plus 9. Right, this is equal to 0. Remember, here, over here x cannot be equal to minus 3. X cannot be equal to 3 or minus 3 by 2. Right, tell me. Shaita, are you getting? Tell me. Abhijay, is it clear? Okay. What do we get? 4x square plus 2x into 3, 6x plus 3x, 9x. And 6x plus 3x, 9x plus x, 10x. Minus 3 plus 9 is plus 6 equal to 0. Okay, so what do we get? 4x square plus 4x plus 6x plus 6 equal to 0. So over here, x will be equal to minus 1, comma, minus 3 by 2. But this one is discarded, right? Tell me everyone. Why it is discarded? Because again the denominator cannot be equal to 0. Right, Shirup? So x has to be equal to minus 1. Tell me, Shaita, is it clear? Those are online. Rishabh, Sataki, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
We'll have only one. Okay. The other route is discarded because it is not there in the domain. Sometimes these kind of questions will come and they will ask you find the number of solutions of this equation. If you write 2, you'll get. Okay. Equations reducible to standard form. Equations reducible to standard form. Equations reducible to standard form. Type 1. Type 1, ax to the power 2n plus bx to the power n plus c equal to 0. Over here, what do we need to take? Take x to the power 2n, x to the power n as y, and the whole thing will become a quadratic, right? This will become ay square plus by plus c equal to 0. Tell me, are people getting? After that, we solve for y, and then it's back substitute. Right, everyone, are you getting? Venkat? Sure? Okay. Next, type 2. Type 2, a f of x plus b by f of x is equal to c, where f of x is an expression in x. Okay. So over here, what do we need to do? You have to take f of x equal to k, right? And what will you get? You will get ak plus b by k equal to c. Okay, right, everyone? So everyone see, I'll give you an example. For example, x by x plus 1 plus x plus 1 by x is equal to 34 by 15. You people tell me what shall we do over here, how to proceed? X by x plus 1 is k. Let x by x plus 1 is equal to k. What do we get, everyone? K plus 1 by k is equal to 34 by 15. From here, everyone, from here, k square plus 1 is equal to 34 by 15 into k, right? So from here, 15k square minus 34k plus 15 equal to 0, right? So everyone, how to factorize? Can anyone tell me? Can anyone tell me middle term factorization and how to break the middle term quickly? How to break the middle term? Tell me quickly. 25 and 9. Minus 25k minus 9k plus 15 equal to 0. Right. So from here, what do we get, everyone? We'll get k is equal to 3 by 5 or 5 by 3. Rest you can solve, right? After that, you have to back substitute and you people will be able to solve. Right. After that, you substitute x by x plus 1 is equal to 3 by 5 and x plus 1 by x is equal to 3 by 5. 5 by 3. There will be two cases. From here, Arush, you tell me what will be the answer in the first case. Venkat, you will tell me what will be the answer in the second case. Quickly. Quickly, Arush. See? 3 by 2. No, you are making a mistake. It's a linear equation. Acha, first one is 3 by 2 actually. It happened, Venkat. I told you to solve the second one. Arush, you solve the second one.
Sir, I don't have half the question. I was about to ask you to scroll up.
Hey, there is a question x plus 1 by x is equal to 5 by 3. Tell me the value of x. Quickly. Then I'll scroll up. Then I'll scroll up, definitely. Done, Arush. Quickly. You have 10 seconds. 10.
No, sir. No, sir.
9. Otherwise, we'll sell your watch on OLX. And have party. Tell me, Abhijay, are you feeling hungry today? Chicken biryani. Venkat, what will you have? Tell me.
Sir, 3 by 2, 3 by 2,
3 by 2, 3 by 2. If it is wrong, I'm going to sell your watch. The answer is not correct. I know that. X will be equal to minus 5 by 2. How much you will get? Hardly will take 15, 20 rupees.
Wait, the right.
Anyways, let us do some problems. Tell. Anyone having any doubt in this one? You people understood, right? This type? So let's start. So second one everyone will be able to solve, right? Or should I solve it? Second case, x plus 1 by x equal to 5 by 3. 3x equal to 5x plus 5.
So it is coming 3 by 2 only. Like this.
Same.
I get to eat my watch.
Wait. And what is the first one then? Then first one there is a mistake.
Both are 3 by 2.
Oh, wait a minute. I substituted wrongly.
Yes.
X by x plus 1. I substituted wrongly. So now 3x is equal to, both cannot be 3 by 2. So 3x is equal to 5x plus 5. So from here x is equal to minus 5 by 2. Okay. Is it clear? Actually, I have taken x by x plus 1 as k, na? So lastly I substituted wrongly. Yes. How much should I scroll up? Tell me. Done. Quickly solve. Quickly copy. Done. Shape, is it clear? Anyone having it out, you can ask me. Tell me. Let us do some more problems. What was the last question number? 2. 3. Hello, Satyaki and Rishabh. Did you people understand?
Yes, sir. I understand.
Yes,
Rishabh,
sir.
are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question number 4, 5, and 6. Solve. Solve. I mean, should I solve the first one? No. Tell me. Then tell me what is the answer. Yes. Ariman, you are absolutely correct. Correct. 4, everyone should be able to solve it. 4, 5, these are all easy problems. Quickly solve. Yes, Satyaki, there will be one more answer, na?
Yes, sir.
Rishabh, is it done? Okay, I'm solving number 4. Done? Sure. Correct. Venkat, 4 is done. Venkat, Shiru, 4 is done. Sure. Sure, na? Correct. Venkat, 4 is done. No. Should I start, Venkat? No. Then what shall I do? Sit down. How much more time you need? Everyone has solved it. I think only Rishabh is also left. Rishabh, are you there?
Yes, sir.
So Rishabh, what is the problem with number 4? Tell me. 4 is easy.
Yes, sir. I'm doing in one second.
Pay attention with number 4. Okay, or are you doing something else behind the screen? Okay,
No, sir.
Sir, I've sent the second answer.
wait, let me solve number 4 first. This will become 3 to the power x
No, sir,
into 3
second
square.
part of the first answer.
Oh, wait. Correct. So you'll get 3 to the power x into 3 square plus 1 by 3 to the power x is equal to 10. Right? So what is 3 to the power x? K. So everyone 9k plus 1 by k is equal to 10. From here 9k square minus 10k plus 1 equal to 0. From here what is the value of k? K equal to 1 comma 1 by 9 I guess. Are you getting Rishabh? Venkat, you got this? Should I completely factorize and show? Okay. After getting k equal to 1, that means 3 to the power x is equal to 1. 3 to the power x is equal to 1 or 3 to the power x is equal to 1 by 9. This implies x equal to 0 or x equal to minus 2. Is it clear? Tell me. Venkat, Ariman. Quickly solve the next one. Done. Number 5, I'm checking Satyaki. Oh no, Rishabh has
Sir, I
sent.
have not
Who
sent.
sent 5? Where? Oh no, you haven't sent.
Sir, I have not sent.
Okay. Solve. Correct. So should I start with 5? Tell me everyone. After this set of problems, I'll start discussing the question paper as well. Sorry, time. We'll start discussing the question paper. I think Shuru, you are making some mistake. Okay, let me start. We need to find out x. Done. Venkat, show. Okay, everyone. If I take t as the first one, the other one will be 1 by t. Tell me, everyone. Okay, so what will you get? You will get t plus 1 by t is equal to how much? T plus 1 by t is equal to This is number 5. Let root over x by 1 minus x is equal to t. So t plus 1 by t is equal to 2 1 by 6. Right, this implies t square plus 1 by t is equal to 13 by 6. Cross multiply, we get 6t square plus 6 is equal to 13t. From here 6t square. Oh, Rishabh, you are making some mistake. Minus 13t plus 6 equal to 0. Can we factorize this? Tell me. Is it factorizable? 6t
Yes, sir.
square.
Sir,
9 and
minus
4,
9
right?
by minus 4. Minus 9 and 4.
Minus 9t minus 4t plus 6 equal to 0. Right, this implies taking 3t common, t minus 3 minus what? No. 2t minus 3. Minus 2 common, 2t minus 3, right? Is equal to 0. This implies t equal to 3 by 2, comma 2 by 3. It's correct. T equal to 3 by 2, comma 2 by 3, so there will be two cases. What is the problem with this question? Root over x by 1 minus x. Shweta, are you getting? Okay, you have done this. Tell me. Araman, you have done it. Venkat, is it clear?
Sir, is my answer correct?
What answer you got? Tell me.
Sir, I have got x equal to 4 by 5 and 9 minus 9 by 5.
No. After this, you are making a mistake. You see, you square both sides. You get x by 1 minus x. This will be equal to how much? 9 by 4, isn't it? So from here, it's a linear equation. 4x equal to 9 minus 9x. I am getting x equal to 9 by 13 from here. Tell me. Are you
Yes, sir.
getting?
Yes, sir. I took 1 plus x instead of 1 minus x.
See, if you are making such mistakes, how will I help you? Tell me. X by 1 minus x equal to 4 by 9. So from here, what is the value of x? X equal to 4 by 13. Right. That is it clear? Shiruk? Is it clear? Abhijat? Rishabh? Have you understood? Tell me.
Yes, sir. I made a silly mistake.
Should I solve the last one, everyone?
Sir, can you show it?
Yes, this is the last question. Should I start? You
No,
people
sir.
are. You people want to try. But there will be some more answers. These are correct. Should I start? Tell me. No. Please solve. Okay, show me your students. How are you getting this answer? Okay, start. Tell me. Let me start. You can see that 5 plus 2 root 6 into 5 minus 2 root 6 is 1. That means, can I say that they both the terms are reciprocal to each other? Tell me. Can I say this? Tell me. Shweta, are you getting? If 5 plus 2 root 6 into 5 minus 2 root 6 is equal to 1. Okay. This is number 6. So let 5 plus 2 root 6. I mean, since 5 plus 2 root 6 into 5 minus 2 root 6 is equal to 1. Let 5 plus 2 root 6 whole to the power x square minus 3 be t. Right, tell me.
Sir, is my answer correct?
Let me check. Satyaki, there will be some more answers.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so everyone, what do we get, everyone? T plus 1 by t is equal to 10, isn't it? Tell me, everyone. So from here, what do we get? T square minus 10t plus 1 equal to 0. From here, t is equal to minus of minus 10 plus minus root over b square minus 4ac, that is 100 minus 4 divided by 2. 100 minus 4 divided by 2. So what do we get, everyone? 10 plus minus root 96 divided by 2. Root 96 means what? 16 into 6. So 4 root 6 divided by 2. 4 root 6 divided by 2. Right, tell me. Working properly. Okay, 10 plus minus 4 root 6 divided by 2. This will become 5 plus minus 2 root over 6. Right, tell me over here. So there are two cases. One is 5 plus 2 root 6 whole to the power x square minus 3 is equal to 5 plus 2 root 6. Right. Another case is 5 plus 2 root 6 whole to the power x square minus 3 is equal to 5 minus 2 root 6. Tell me.
Sir, x equal to plus minus root 2 or plus minus 2.
Correct. So this implies x square minus 3 is equal to 1. This implies x equal to plus minus 2. Tell me. Is it clear? Tell me. Satyaki, Rishabh, are you people getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I got.
Sir,
Yes,
other
over
will be
here.
root 3. Sir, root 2.
Huh?
Sir, other answer is root 2.
Root 2, root 2, root 2. And the other one, 5 minus 2 root 6 means what? Is it matching or not? 5 plus 2 root 6 whole to the power minus 1. So from here x square minus 3 is equal to minus 1. So from here x square is equal to 2, x equal to plus minus root 2. Tell me. If you are not getting, you can ask me, I'll explain. Tell me. Is it clear? Shirup, is it clear? Halaman? Venkat? Abhijat? Shaita, is it clear? If you have any doubt, tell me. I think we can keep it till now. Okay. Next class will again continue. Okay. But I'm going to discuss the question paper. Okay, give me 2 minutes. Okay,
Sir,
those who have given the test, what?
if if it is raised to the power of x squared, then there is it to quadratic, or what is it?
Currently, it's not a quadratic. We have transformed it into a quadratic. Okay, transformed it into a quadratic. Okay.